Well, I'm out here at Hilton Head Island, Scott Hall Rex YouTube channel. Anyway, we tried a different side of the beach, or a different area of the beach here in Hilton Head, South Carolina. And, wow, that dog's used the bathroom. Dang. Look at that. Look at that. Just crapped on the beach. Dang. Anyway. But it's going good. I mean, this is really nice. I mean, you got the beach. I stepped on a jellyfish. Sure that wouldn't feel good. Dang. But anyway, so far I found these seashells right here, as you can see. And one of them has a crab in it. Has that big shell. So, anyway. This is awesome. Man, I like this kind of the air over here. I mean, you got
You ain't seen nothing yet.
you got like seashells, you got jellyfish, you got crabs.
It's jellyfish.
Bro, there's
hermit crabs.
crabs everywhere.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
Daggum. Wow, yeah, put that in there. That was a cross or something. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's awesome, James.
You won't believe all the stuff we found out here.
Really?
It's amazing, yes.
Chrissy just put this down here. All these shells and stuff. But anyway, this is like a totally different experience than what we had yesterday. But anyway, we're having a good time out here. Everything's going really good. It's actually Sunday and it's actually Father's Day. I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. But the beaches down here definitely look different, don't they, Chrissy? They really do. Yep, definitely look different. Like I said a while ago, I did step on a jellyfish, and I didn't even know I did it. So I'm sure if I wasn't woke up, I'm definitely woke up now. Look at that beautiful dog. Look how pretty. It's so beautiful. Look at that dog, Chrissy. Look, how beautiful. Wow. Hey. But there's like a, what would you call a water inlet just running right here through the beach, as you can see. It goes down that way. Anyway. Wow. This is so unique. I've not seen a beach like this. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit the like button. Or if you want to, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. You just gotta be careful where you're walking because there's like so many crabs just everywhere in this joker. I mean, they're like really in this water. Which I don't blame them. Probably staying cool. I mean, it's like really deep right here, you know what I'm saying? Headed back this way. But yeah, totally different experience today than what it was yesterday. Yep. We're actually finding seashells, actually finding living creatures of the sea. Dang. Wow, there's a big old clamshell in there. Oh, surprised I didn't sling down the man. What mud is? I mean, you like really sink down in it. Yeah. Anyway, here's where we set up shop. There's James. What's he doing? Dang. His shoulders are looking kind of red. I want to check that out. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Just trying to make some vlogs of what we're doing. See how pretty it is in Hilton Head, South Carolina. Anyway, be one way to put a sunscreen on, put mud on you. You definitely would get sunburned. Dang. Anyway, love you guys so much.